Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the S Mobility rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp down. You will first open up the lift gate. You can then use this handle to bring the ramp down. So this ramp here is going to be 34 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. As we make our way inside, this one is going to be a full cut conversion, meaning you can put two wheelchairs at the same time. In the middle, you will have captain's chairs. And this van here only has 57,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring up the ramp. And close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we also have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 57,000 miles. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.